Are dividends the biggest lie in investing? I'm about to prove to you why the answer might be yes. A dividend is simply a company's profit shared with you, the stockholder. But here's the trick, the part most people miss. When a company like Microsoft pays a $1 dividend, the stock price drops by exactly $1 on the ex-dividend date. It's a fundamental market rule. Think about it. The money didn't appear out of thin air. It simply moved from one of your pockets to the other. It moved from the company's value, which you own, to your cash account. Your total net worth did not change. The real mistake, the trap so many fall into, is spending that dividend. Because spending your dividends is mathematically identical to selling off a small piece of your stock. Either way, you are shrinking your principal investment. Don't believe me? Just look at any long-term chart of the S&P 500 with dividends reinvested versus not. The difference isn't just big, it's staggering. This obsession, this fixation on dividends, is what blinds you to the real wealth generators. Companies like Amazon, Google, Tesla, Meta, which for years chose to reinvest every penny into growth, creating absolute fortunes for their shareholders. You see, the goal was never to live off dividends. The real goal, the one that actually builds fortunes, is to live off your wealth. Think about the master himself, Warren Buffett. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, famously pays no dividend. Why? Because he knows he can create far more wealth for shareholders by reinvesting every single dollar. So let's quickly bust the two myths I always hear. Myth number one, but won't the stock price go to zero? No, the discount is percentage-based. It gets closer to zero, but it will never reach it. Myth number two, but the price always bounces back. And so what if it does? A stock that didn't pay a dividend would have gone up even more. Your net gain would have been exactly the same. So here's the bottom line, the hard truth. Your real, dependable income comes from your job, from your work. Everything else is wealth you build over time. Stop falling for the easy income myth. Focus on buying truly great businesses. Be patient and let your wealth, your patrimony, compound. Once it's large enough, then you can live comfortably off a small piece of it. Whether that comes from dividends or from selling shares, because in the end, the math is exactly the same.